Want to create a stunning restaurant website in WordPress? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to design a professional site with an interactive food menu and a fully functional reservation form, perfect for attracting customers and boosting your restaurant's online presence. Let's begin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type aBlocks. Once you find the aBlocks plugin, click Install and then Activate. Now, let's import a pre-built restaurant website template to speed things up. From your dashboard, go to aBlocks Templates. At the top, click the More button to filter templates. Here you'll find beautifully designed restaurant templates, tailor-made for food businesses, cafes, and fine dining websites. Click Preview on any template to take a closer look. You'll see thoughtfully designed sections like eye-catching hero section, stylish feature menus or products, essential about and contact information, real testimonials from happy customers, effective call-to-action buttons, and more. Once you've picked the template that fits your brand, click Start Import. Make sure to check the box that says Import with Images to bring in the full demo content. Then click Import Now. In just a few seconds, your complete restaurant website will be imported, clean, responsive, and professionally designed. To see it in action, click Visit Website. You'll now have a fully functional, visually appealing restaurant site ready to customize. Next, let's make it your own. Click the Edit button on the home page to open the page in the WordPress block editor. With aBlocks 60+ Gutenberg blocks, you now have complete creative control. Whether you want to tweak layouts, adjust color schemes, update your menu, or personalize your content, aBlocks gives you a visual, intuitive editing experience. No need for coding, no complicated steps. Just click, drag, and customize your website exactly the way you envision it. Now, let's move on to customizing the hero section of your restaurant homepage. Click on the image block in the hero section. On the right panel, under the block settings, click Replace and upload a new image that reflects your brand or theme. If the content or image looks off, adjust the alignment settings to center or align it left/right based on your design preference. Now, let's polish the style a bit. Go to the Style tab and scroll to the border settings. Customize the left and right border spacing to give your hero section a cleaner, more refined look. Scroll down to the Offer section. This is where you highlight your best deals or signature items. Click on the section block and go to the Style tab. Add a background image or color that makes your offers stand out and keeps your brand consistent. Next up, the food menu area. Click on the background of the menu section and choose a background color that contrasts well with your text. Stick to your brand colors to keep the overall design unified and visually appealing. Once you're happy with your customizations, click the Save button in the top right corner. Now click Preview to see your updated restaurant site in action, complete with your new hero image, styled offer section, and customized food menu background. Your site is now looking sharp, professional, and ready to impress your customers. And that's it. You've just built and customized a beautiful restaurant website in WordPress using the aBlocks Gutenberg page builder without writing a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.